So here our hedgehog is off, he's shut off, he's powered down. To turn him on, you hold this power button right here for about 2 seconds. You'll see his light turn on. And it'll fade out, meaning it's in standby mode, and every once in a while it'll make a little movement with its feet to tell you that it's waiting for an instruction. So to put it on mode 1, you press the button again. His eyes will be green and orange, and he'll walk around. And again, when he does this with his feet, we call it a little stomping action. This means that he's waiting for a direction. So you want to clap the instructions. It'll accept the instructions when it's splayed out like this. So if you clap and it's curled up, he won't do anything. So you want to wait till he's open like this. I'm going to clap twice. And he'll turn up, roll, and fall asleep. That's in mode 1. So if you clap twice in mode 1, he'll roll once and go to sleep. And then if you do mode 2, so you press it again, the green mode, wait till he opens up, and clap. We'll clap 3 times. In this mode, he'll tumble the number of times that you clap. So that was 1. 2. 3. And now he'll stay, he's stuck on the carpet. Now he'll keep walking around until you give him another command. So that means he's waiting for another command again. So he's done his 3 rolls, and you can just clap again to make him do more rolls. Then mode 3 is the orange. This means that you need to keep clapping to encourage him to roll. So he'll keep walking around like this. Oop, turned off. Yep, nope, he's there. So now he's waiting for you to do something. And you keep clapping until he rolls. That's how he does it in mode 3. The best demo mode is probably mode 1, which is green and orange. And the best way to demo it quickly is to clap twice. So that he rolls over and falls asleep. And then to turn him off completely, you want to hold down the power button for about 7 seconds. And now he's asleep.